Alright, the way that I get this square where it needs to be, I'll mount my return air duct in filter rack and ductwork onto the furnace, and then that'll come up from the furnace, and I'll take a level from that ductwork up to here, and that's how I'll get the right spot on the ductwork. You can also use a plumb bob, I guess, and drop that from the ceiling, hit the four corners of the ductwork on your furnace. So that's how I would place this square up in the ceiling directly below my return air ductwork. Typically use a level, because that's what I have on hand. Thank you.